On the 1st of January 2020, the Australian government launched the First Home Buyer Loan Deposit Scheme. This provides a guarantee for eligible first home buyers on low and middle incomes to be eligible to purchase a property with as little as 5%, which is subject to lender's criteria. In this video, I'll be covering the eligibility criteria, whether if you're purchasing this property on your individual name or as a couple, the property requirements alongside the loan requirements. Potential applicants can choose from a panel of participating lenders, which include major banks and small lenders. So now you may be wondering, how many people can access the scheme? The scheme is capped at 10,000 places this financial year. After July 2020, a further 10,000 positions will become available. In January, lenders registered 3,000 potential applicants for the First Home Buyer Scheme. An additional of 7,000 places became available in February. So now you may be wondering, who is eligible? Key eligibility criteria includes firstly, an income test. In the previous financial year, you must have not exceeded $125,000 if you're a single and $200,000 if you're a couple. You must not have owned a property previously. However, this is sort of a grey area. Like I discussed in my First Home Buyer Super Scheme, that the government can also allow this to be your first home if you've either lost it, whether in an incident, a divorce, or any other situation. So I suggest you consult with an accountant in this phase. You must be an Australian citizen and you must be over 18 years old. You must have at least a 5% deposit. If applicants have a 20% or more deposit, then they will not be eligible. Lastly, you must intend to live in that property. You must move in within 6 months of the date of settlement, or you can get an occupancy certificate to extend that duration. And you must continue to live there as long as your home loan has a guarantee. Now I'll be covering the property requirements. Firstly, it must be a residential property as defined under the scheme. Secondly, the property must have a sale price under the price cap. In Melbourne, the price cap is $600,000. In Sydney, it's $700,000. Lastly, it must be an established dwelling or a new dwelling purchased under home and land contract. If you're interested, you can find out more information in the link I leave below, which will direct you directly to the government's website. Now we're going to talk about the loan requirements. Some of you may be wondering, are all home loans eligible? No. There are certain rules about the type of home loan that can be utilized under this scheme. For example, you must take out a principal and interest loan. Exceptions may be granted towards borrowers who are building a new dwelling, and the term must be 30 years or under, and you cannot change the loan for the duration of the scheme. Lastly, you must use all the proceeds towards purchasing or improving or constructing the property, and your loan commitment must not be below 80% of the property value or higher than 95% of the property value. This video was produced to give you an idea whether you guys fit into the eligibility criteria or not, and provide an easy way for you guys to understand what the scheme is about. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, hit subscribe, and click on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out any more. If you got any videos you'd like me to make, please leave a comment below. Besides that, thanks for watching.